The Little Cow and the Lost Chick. On a small farm, there was a little cow named Bella. Bella was very kind, but also a bit shy. One day, she heard a tiny cheep cheep. It was a little chick. "I'm lost," said the chick. "I can't find my mom." Bella was scared. She didn't like to walk far, but she wanted to help. So Bella said, "Don't worry, I will help you." They walked across the farm. They passed the barn, the pond, and the big tree. Finally, they found the mother hen. "Thank you," said the hen. Bella smiled. She was still shy, but she was also brave. Being brave means helping others, even when you feel scared. Please subscribe my channel.